Hello everyone. Today we're going to be working on a problem from Chapter 16. Diane Van Oss decided to buy a new car since her credit union was offering such low interest rates. She borrowed $9,000 at 3.5% on December 26, 2012 and paid it off February 21, 2014. How much did she pay in interest using exact interest? So a couple things to note here are that we're using exact interest, which uses 365 days, and that the loan originated on December 26, 2012 and was paid off February 21st, 2014. So let's draw a timeline here to figure out how long interest had to accrue. December 26th, 2012 here. All right, so we're going to jump forward to December 26th, 2013, because that's an even 365 days. And then we're going to go from there to December 31st, 2013. That's a 5-day difference. Then we're going to go from December 31st, 2013 to January 31st, 2014. That's another 31 days. And then the final jump from January 31st to February 21st is going to be 21 days. All right, so that comes out to be a total of 422 days that the interest had to accrue. So we're going to be using I equals PRT here. I being interest, equal to P being principal, R being rate, and T being time. So the principal here is going to be $9,000 times 3.5%, which comes out to be 0.035, times time of 422 days divided by 365 days. All right, and that'll give us interest of $364.19. Thank you for watching the video. If you want more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel at UAB Collat School of Business and like us on Facebook at UAB Collat Tutor Lab. Thank you.